Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your USB-C input for the HP speaker. Okay, so if you want to charge the speaker, all you have to do, just rotate for this silicone cover, remove it with your finger, and as you can see the USB-C input appears right here. So all you have to do, just input the cable right here, the USB-C end, and the second end. If you have the USB-A to USB-C, just plug your PC to your laptop, or for example to the charging brick, and just plug it to the electricity and your speaker will charge. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.